Hi there, it's Laura Nielsen, the advisor. I thought I would give you some helpful hints on how you can keep track of how many more points you need to pass a class. Now, a lot of you, as you logged on this Monday, you realized, whoa, there's been a huge change in my grades. And that's because the teachers did that final zero out, meaning they zeroed everything that was possible that you have not completed points on so that you have a clear idea of where you are at in the class. Now, the great thing about that is every single point you earn gets you one more point to that finish line. So let's figure out exactly how many points you need. I took a couple of different classes to give you an example. Your numbers obviously might be a little different, but at least it will show you the process on how things are done. All right, so in each of your classes, remember you are always able to see how many points there are total for the class and how many points you presently have. Every one of your classes show that. You just have to look for it. It's usually always located in the same place. So this is an example of developmental algebra. As you can see, this student has 228 points and there's a total of 647 points in the class. And you're like, okay, what does that mean? Well, let me show you the easiest way for you to figure out exactly what you need. Okay, are you ready? So you're going to want to see what is 60% of 647, because remember 60% gets you to a D, which means you're passing the class, you earn your credit, you have completed that course, that half of the course if it's a full year class. So 647 times 0.60, because remember 0.60 is kind of like the same as 60%. So if you put that in there, that gets you to 388 points. Now to play it safe, I would suggest you bump it up. So you need 389 points to finish this class and get at least a D, right? So right now, this person has 228 points. So what's the difference that you need to make up so that you pass? So let's calculate that next. You would take that total amount you need to earn that 60%, which was 389. You're going to take away your 228 points because those are the points you already have, which gives you a total of 161 more points to pass the class. Now you might be going, well, how am I supposed to do that? I only have a final left. Remember, you can go back to some of those assignments that you haven't completed, or you can go back to those quizzes that you failed or didn't do well at, and you can work on those and earn points. Every single point you get, so every point you earn gets you one step closer to that 389 points that you need to pass this class. Now it's important to note that not every class has the same total points that you have to earn because, you know, there are different assignments. So I use the example of world history because there are way more total points in Mrs. Weber's world history class. In fact, there are 1,281. Again, I always say round up to play it safe. So I'm going to say there's 1,282 points you need or that are available for the class. That's everything combined. All right. What is it that's 60% of that? Remember, you will take the total amount that's possible, take it times 60, and that gives you 769.2. Round it up. So you need 770 points to pass the class to get a 60%. Remember, D is done. That means you've earned that credit. So 770, and this person already has 424 points. So let's figure out how many points are needed yet to pass. So 770, take away 424, gives this person 346 points total needed. So take away the 424 as we calculated, that gets you 346 points. All right. That's how many points are needed. You might go again. Oh, I don't have that many points left with the final. Go back. Go in and work on those assignments that you can earn more credit on. Retake quizzes. You know what else I'm going to say? Go to the office hours and ask the teachers, what are the best things for me to work on right now so that I get the most bang for my buck, so that I get a D for done. That is your goal at this point. Obviously, you hope for more, but that's the amount you need to get credit for the class. Now, if you're not sure, you can calculate these on your own. I am more than willing to sit down with you and look at each of your class totals and help you calculate those. Give me a call. My number is 913-592-4600, extension 3043. You can also stop by. I'm holding some help sessions in case you need help calculating this. So just stop in. I have opened up an optional time every day this week from 3:30 to 5. I will have it. You can just pop in the room and into the Blackboard room, and I will help you as you figure yours out. So I will sit with you and we will walk through the process together so that you can see, and you can continue to recheck that number and see how many more points you need. All right. So I wish you guys the best. I really, really want you to get these classes where they need to be. I know you want the same thing, because as much as you love your teachers, you don't want to take that same class again some other time. So please, please, please do what it takes to get to that 60% mark. I will help you across that finish line. All right. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Talk to you later. Bye.